So in this short video I want to show you how you can create multi-language websites on GoHighLevel. Previously you had to duplicate all your pages, translate them and create a complicated URL structure so you're able to switch. And I recently found this plugin for WordPress because I was building a WordPress website and created the translation there. And then I found out that they also have a widget generator, so I quickly will demonstrate how this works. So you go to this website, I will link it in the show descriptions, and it's completely free, you can easily do that. And on here you can customize your widget. So float means that there's a small widget floating on the page. You have to decide what's your base language, so in that case it's English. I want to translate to French, Spanish, Arabic and German. All the rest can stay like that, and you can decide on the position, so I go for bottom left. Open direction from the languages is up, and here you get the code. And if you now go back to your website, if you create the floating widget, you need to add the custom code widget. Open that, add your code, click on save again, and if you now open it in preview, you can see the widget down here, and if you click on it, you can see now everything is in English, like the base website is. If I now switch to French, for example, it translates the entire website to French. And as you can see right now it's on French. If you switch it back to English, it switches to English. We can go to German, and everything is translated. And a quick tip, if you are implementing this and you want the translation to be on every page on your website, you will need a global section, and I quickly show what I mean. This one, for example, is a global section because it's purple-ish and it says global. And so this part will be shown on every part of your website. So if you include the code on here, so you add the code snippet over here and add it here, and we quickly remove this one on top, it will translate your entire website. So if you switch pages, I quickly demonstrate that, and let's say we change it to Arabic because you easily can see that it's translated, and now let's go to another page. You can see that it's translating, and that's because the code is on the footer, which is global and which is shown on all pages. So you need to make sure that the code is present on every page. So now I quickly want to show you how you can add flags, because let's say you don't want to have a floating widget on your page, but you want only flags. We can go to flags, for example. We leave all the settings the same. On here we can set up the flag size. Let's say we want 16 pixels, and it looks like this. So you will get the widget like that. And yeah, you also can switch it to drop down, for example. Okay, this preview is wrong, but you get what I mean. So let's switch it back to flags. We leave all of that as it is. We copy the code. You can see it's pretty small right now. And then we go on the website, and we remove the floating widget and we add the flags. And there you have the same rule, you have to add the flags in a global section so it can be displayed on the entire website if you change pages. So make sure it's in a global section. Now let's quickly preview that. And if you scroll down, you now can see the flags. So we can also make them bigger, for example, if you want to have a bigger images for the flags, but you also can create drop downs. You can create with the name and everything, a pop-up, a globe. So there's a lot you can do for free. That's really insane. I hope this video helped you. I plan to make more of them in the future, with tricks around GoHighLevel, also CSS stuff on how to improve your website and make them more professional. So make sure to like this video and subscribe.